Knowing the different pricing strategies can help you determine how much your products or services are worth. In this video, let's explore the 7 most common types of pricing strategies and when it's best to use them. But first, let's review what a pricing strategy is. A pricing strategy is the method used for determining the best price for your products or services. It takes into account the following factors: input costs or the raw materials used for production, value-adding benefits, product features, market conditions, target customer base, positioning strategy, revenue goals, nature of the product, and your industry, among others. There are various pricing strategies available for businesses. Here are the 7 most common pricing strategies in business. The first one, and is considered as the basic pricing strategy, is the cost-plus pricing. Cost-plus pricing is the sum of your total production costs plus the markup, or the amount added to the base price to cover overhead and profit. Next, we have the competitive pricing, also known as the competition-based pricing. Competitive pricing is the act of using your competitors' prices as the basis of pricing your goods. You can either price your products slightly lower, equal, or higher than your competition's. The third one is called price skimming. Price skimming lets you set high prices for a new and popular product and lower it over time as it loses its popularity. There's also a strategy called as bundle pricing. Bundle pricing means selling complementary products together for a rate lower than their individual prices. Next, we have penetration pricing. Penetration pricing is the method of selling goods for an extremely low price and raising it once you achieve your target market share. You should only use it for a short run to prevent hurting your bottom line. Meanwhile, value-based pricing is about setting your prices based on the perceived value of the item instead of its actual cost. It considers the usefulness of the products, their quality, and the willingness of your customers to pay. The last pricing strategy we're going to discuss is something you may already be familiar with. Psychological pricing targets human psychology to increase sales. A popular example of this is when you price a product for $9.99 instead of $10 to make it look cheaper. Choosing a pricing strategy is important because pricing has the greatest and fastest impact on maximizing your business's profitability. It's also a major deciding factor that encourages customers to buy your product. This happens because pricing creates a psychological and economical effect on your buyers. The right price is the midpoint of your cost and the value it provides to your customers. In other words, you'd want your pricing to fall close to the value of what you're selling. Set it too low, and they'll underestimate the quality of the product. Plus, it compromises your profitability. Set it too high, and you'll lose valuable sales.